Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you the step-by-step procedure on how to write your first HTML file with Notepad. Alright, now let's start. First, we need to open the Notepad, which can be seen in all apps in Start menu. And if you can see the Notepad in all apps, just click the search icon or search bar on your computer and type Notepad and click it. In my case, since I'm using Notepad regularly, I already pinned it on my Start menu for an easy access. Now that we have opened the Notepad, we can start creating an HTML file. First, I will declare what version of HTML I'm creating using the doctype declaration, and to be followed by the HTML tag. Inside this tag is the whole HTML file. The first part of your HTML file is the head, to be followed by the body. Inside the head is the title of our HTML file. And for the body, we will input the contents of our web page. In this case, our contents are a heading and a paragraph. Now that our HTML file is complete, remember to always declare what version of HTML you're writing for the browser to interpret it correctly. Also, to write your HTML file with the correct structure using the HTML tag, head tag, title tag, and body tag. And of course, the contents of your web page. To save your work, click File on the menu bar and click Save. A dialog box will pop up and it will require you to name your file. Don't forget to use .html at the end of your file name as your file type. Make sure that the encoding is at UTF-8, then click Save. Now go to the folder where your file was saved, and as you can see, it is in the web format. Now double-click and a web browser with your web page will open. On the left side of the screen is your HTML file, while on the right side is your web page. You can see that the title we put in the head of the HTML file is in the title tab on the browser. And as for the contents of the web page, we can see that in the body elements of the HTML file. And that's it. That is how simple it is to create an HTML file with Notepad.